Here is a tool that will help you organize your photo and video folders. If you take a lot of photos, whether for work or on vacation, you probably have a folder called All or From Phone, filled with a mix of files you rarely look at. When you start the program, the first thing you need to do is select a folder. The program will also search through subfolders. Once the files are loaded, you'll see the following screen. This section displays thumbnails of all the loaded photos and videos. Here is a table with groups of photos that I will create later. The map shows pins marking the locations where the photos or videos were taken. This timeline shows the dates and the number of photos taken on each day. Let's organize these files. I can see I have photos from Italy, so I create a group with that name and add the photos to it. I can do the same for Greece. Now I'm selecting photos from Mexico, but only those taken on Saturday and Sunday. My date names are in Polish because my operating system is set to Polish. Now we've created a few groups. Let's take a look at what's inside them. When I'm happy with the grouping, I click the Save All button. I need to specify or create a folder where the grouped photos will be saved. In this window, I decide whether I want to move or simply copy the photos from the source folder. I can uncheck any groups that I don't need. And just like that, I now have my vacation photos neatly organized. The program uses metadata and works only with photos taken on GPS-enabled devices, such as mobile phones, action cameras, or drones. Feel free to download PixTidy from the Microsoft Store.